I am Nia from Cuisine, and today we're going to make the best biryani for about 20 people.
First, we're going to start with 4 spoons of coriander. We're going to fry this for 2 minutes and 2 minutes each. After this is fried, we're going to remove it, then add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. In the same pan, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds. Give it a mix for 2 minutes, then take it out. Then add 2 spoons of pepper, separately take it out, a few pieces of cinnamon pieces, a few pieces of stone flour, a few pieces of bay leaf, all of them combined, give them a mix for 2 minutes. Take it out, add cardamom, add cloves, and 2 pieces of nutmeg flour. This is going to be our final fry. Give it a whisk. And that's all our spices, which will then be grinded. We're going to add some lemon to washed rice. Place a large pan on the stove, adding 4 spoons of ghee. Pour 200 ml of oil. And then a handful of mint and coriander each. Stir it all together. And then we're going to add 3 onions sliced into the pan. After mixing it, I'm going to add 2 spoons of Kashmiri chili and regular chili. Powder on top, then distribute it across. Until it gives a red color. After, I'm going to add 2.5 kilograms of lamb. Placing it carefully. 4 spoons of salt. Ginger garlic paste, then coarse ground onion. We're going to flake in some green chilies and 3 tomatoes, finely chopped. Let it cook until it's not raw. Then we're going to add 3 spoons of yogurt until it melts into the column. Then with the spices previously shown, it's roasted and grounded. Now it's biryani masala. Now the soaked lemon sprinkled rice, I'm going to add it on top to mix. Adding an equivalent amount of water. We're going to place it in the oven when it's half cooked, and half an hour later we open the pan into a steamy, delicious looking biryani. It has a golden rich look and it crumbles when we touch it. It's super hot and super moist and delicious.